2009 when we had a market crash. At that time, you can wait around for the banks to come take properties. I said, there's an opportunity here. We came up with an auction platform, and we took that technology and used it for all these sellers who were losing their properties and wound up making the money, giving them a check for $500,000. Fast forward now to the distributed ledger technology, it's tokenization. This is another new tool that can be used to help create value.
I met Ed at a conference about blockchain and distributed ledger technology. He was fascinated by it from a real estate perspective, and we really just hit it off. And the next thing we knew, we were launching Red Swan together.
We have very high-level investors who are not knowledgeable about the recent technology. They hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum. They don't really understand the underlying technology of Hedera Hashgraph and how that can help them.
The Red Swan platform marketplace allows a seller of commercial real estate to post their property on the platform, allows buyers to see these properties, and then through a competitive bidding process, bid on the property and then actually buy the property.
I tell developers, they can be the best developers in the world. Their largest risk is the market when it's finished. Sometimes the market may not be there. By tokenization, you're now looking at the global market.
This allows an owner of a property to create fractional ownership. So they could take 80% of the equity they hold in that asset, so tokenize that into a lot of little bits of ownership and allow smaller investors to step in and buy pieces of that property.
To tokenize an asset, we take our property, which is usually held by a title, and we digitize that and put it on the Hedera Hashgraph platform, and then figure out a plan and a strategy for distribution. Do we want to distribute it worldwide within the United States to only accredited investors, retail investors? You have more options.
Escrow is a very important aspect, but the process is not only slow and in some ways inefficient, but also, of course, financially, the escrow agent takes a piece out of that. It's actually possible to create a digital wallet where the buyer would deposit some currency, and once all parties agree, that currency is automatically released to the seller. The process is extremely efficient. In order to make that possible, you need something called a multi-sig digital wallet. And Hedera Hashgraph has multi-sig capability built into the core of the platform. The level of transactions we expect are $100 million and above, so they need a lot of confidence that this is an enterprise-grade solution. And Hedera provides what we believe is one of the best enterprise-grade solutions out there.
Once we showed them that we were able to make 10% more or 25% more on an asset by tokenization, they're going to line up to make that 10% or 25% more on their asset as well. We have a head start on bringing this new technology into the world of commercial real estate and capital markets to make people wealthier with their investments, and also to break the barriers down and start servicing the underserved.